All right, so today's day 8 of fixing up the boat. In the last day or episode or whatever you want to call it, I took off the old decals on the side, the gritty white decals. I took those off and it was a lot more work than I thought it was gonna be. It kind of messed up the hull of the boat, and I said that I was gonna have to repaint the entirety of the hull, which I still don't want to do. Again, more things can go wrong, more work, more money. So instead today, I'm gonna try to sand this down and then put a brand new gel coat over top of it. And if everything goes according to plan, we should have brand new decals on there by the end of the day. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but if it doesn't work, I have to sand it down and paint it, so that's already done, and it's kind of killing two birds with one stone. So that's the plan for today. All right, I haven't used this in a little while, so hopefully it works. Oh, perfect. All right, cool, it works. All right, so here's the repair kit I was talking about. I'm stealing the sanding wheels that they got in here. It's gonna be a little small for this, but I think it'll work just fine. I'm not a professional, if you guys couldn't tell by now. Oh boy. If you guys didn't see, new decal, looks really nice. I'm gonna try to sand for a couple more coats and see if it budges at all. If not, I'm probably gonna have to get some white paint and fix that up. So I've been holding off, but I'm gonna go order that paint. Very anticlimactic episode. If you haven't already, go watch the other ones, and I'll catch you in the next one.